It's brown out here, so I need to go out to the house. So Nadine and I and Jairo we're gonna go out. Maybe we're gonna go swimming or I'm going to the gym first. So let's get ready. Guys, this is my outfit. I'm going to the gym. Going to the gym. Outfit of the day. Gonna go to the gym. Hmm? I need to trim my body. It's because I have nobody to uh nobody will gonna take care of Jairo today. I'm gonna bring Jairo with me and Nadine. So guys, before we can go in other town, we need to cash out money and I forget it's brown out today. So good thing there is GCash. There are some stores that they can do cash out money. So I paid 20 pesos for 2,000 pesos. Other town, riding a trike. Jairo with me. Gym time is done. Then we're gonna go to Lalimar. We're gonna eat and go swim a little bit.
Easy dong, John. Easy dong.
Go now to the reception. We're gonna order food. And we were already hungry. Good morning.
Ito ko, ma'am.
Maligo mo kaon mi. Maligo pa mi. Maligo pa mi ron tagod. Ay, look at that. So I need to get out of the house. He's ready. He's ready. He wants to go to swim right now. So he wants to take. Bili ng slippers. Okay. Ayaw dito kay lalom. Ayaw dito kay lalom siguro. Hem. Yeah, Jair is eating. We order this one order. Then we have the rice also. Here. No, later na na. It's Saturday. Not much people. Swimming pool not full. Sorry guys. We need to keep going. I need to pay. So, well, anyway, I want to stay more. I want to stay longer, but you know, Nadine is going to go tree planting 2 o'clock. So we need to. I need to pay the bill. Malalod. We're waiting for a ride. So just stop by. You know, today is take it easy, guys.